Hello everyone, I am Kundan Lal Sahu, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Sri Rawatpura Sarkari University, Raipur. Today I am discuss about electrochemical machining and electrochemical grinding process. This is the part of non-conventional material removing प्रोसेस या फिर बोल सकते हैं नॉन कन्वेंशनल मशीनिंग प्रोसेस का एक टाइप्स है। उसमें हम क्या करते हैं, इलेक्ट्रोकेमिकल मशीनिंग, केमिकल के द्वारा किसी भी सरफेस की फिनिशिंग के लिए हम जो ऑपरेशन जो यूज़ करते हैं उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, इलेक्ट्रोकेमिकल मशीनिंग प्रोसेस बोलते हैं। दिस इज़ द डायग्राम ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोकेमिकल मशीनिंग प्रोसेस, सॉरी इलेक्ट्रोकेमिकल ग्राइंडिंग प्रोसेस। पीजो इलेक्ट्रिक पोजिशनर, पीजो कंट्रोलर, पीसी सॉल्यूशन एंड बायो पोटेंशियो स्टेट, यूएमई टिप्स। बेसिकली हम इसको 3 डायमेंशनल हम किसी भी प्रोडक्ट को हम क्या करते हैं उसमें मशीनिंग प्रोसेस करते हैं। जैसे इसमें H2SO4 जिंक सल्फेट का हम एक या फिर कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट कॉपर सल्फेट का लिक्विड हम इसमें एज हम केमिकल के रूप में यूज़ करते हैं। और जो भी सैंपल इसकी मशीनिंग ऑपरेशन करना है उसको हम लिक्विड में मर्ज करके रखते हैं। उसके बाद उसमें हम पावर सप्लाई करते हैं पॉजिटिव और निगेटिव आयंस, जिसमें एज पर रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोड एंड कैथोड वो क्या करता है, उसको एब्जॉर्ब कर लेता है और हमको गुड सरफेस फिनिशिंग देता है। Process and electrochemical content. In electrochemical material removal and electrical field and electrolyte destroy the atomic bonding of the material surface, and under electrochemical removal technique we will review electrochemical grinding, ECG, and electrochemical machining. The later including electrochemical machining, electrochemical jet etching, laser assisted electrochemical and jet micro machining, and scanning, electrochemical microscope machining. ECG and ECM, the physics, the electrode of the workpiece, workpiece is act as a conductor are placed in the electrolyte, and the potential and voltage is applied in this object on the anode and cathode. Anode positive side, and the metal molecules ionized, a losses of electron break free of the workpiece and travel through the electrolyte liquid to the other electrode, cathode, charges surface of electron. This is the law of follow the law of Faraday's electrochemical grinding. Nomenclature of the electrochemical grinding: scanning electrochemical microscope, electrolyte, this is the electrolyte, this is the positive and negative ions, sorry, cathode and anode. Electron move to the anode to cathode, and remove from the metal surface, and provide at a good surface finishing product. ECG. ECG, electrochemical grinding, is similar to the electrochemical, but here is the grinding machine occur in the metal surface. ग्राइंडिंग व्हील्स के थ्रू हम क्या करते हैं, इलेक्ट्रोलाइट में जो मर्ज हुआ जो ऑब्जेक्ट है उसको हम इलेक्ट्रोकेमिकल ग्राइंडिंग के थ्रू उसके सरफेस को हम क्या करते हैं, मटेरियल को रिमूव करते हैं। मटेरियल रिमूव कैसे होता है, फॉर्म ऑफ आयंस, स्मॉल पार्टिकल्स ऑफ चिप्स, स्क्रैप, जो हमको दिखाई नहीं देता वो लिक्विड आफ्टर दैट grinding process material is dissolved in the electrolyte. It is the called electrochemical grinding process. This is the electrochemical grinding process. This is the workpiece and the grinding wheel. All are the merge in the electrolyte. Will act as the cathode and electrolyte supply, and workpiece workpiece act as a anode, and the all are in the a medium. ECG parameter, electrochemical grinding parameter, and material current density, how What is the range of the current density? Say 77 ampere per centimeter square. Material removal rate, also called mmr, is the depends on the law of Faraday, closely applied to the ECG in the metal removal rate. This is the follow the rule of thumb for estimating metal removal rate for the most material: 0.16 centimeter per cube meter centimeter cube per minute for the each 100 ampere apply of the current, usually on the material harder than the Rockwell hardness 45. Metal removal rate is for the ECG 10 minutes faster than the rate of possible conventional grinding. Tolerance for is this is the product of the electrochemical grinding. After that, non-conventional machining process. ECG advantages: improve wheel life, burr free, no work hardening, stress free, better surface finish as compared to the other operations just like precision jet machining, no cracking surface, less frequent wheel dressing, no metallurgical damage from the heat, faster for the tough material, no wheel loading or glazing, more prices tolerance. It is electrochemical machining. Electrochemical machining, the electrolyte material removed from the involving the negative charges shaped electrode, cathode, and conductive fluids, electrolyte, and the conductive workpiece anode. ECM, electrochemical machining, is characterized as the reverse electroplating process. The tool must be properly shaped and the provision for the waste removal must be made. This is the arrangement of the electrochemical machining. Electrochemical machining process and basis of the phenomenon of the electrolysis. Its basic principle is electrolysis process. The first significant development occurred in the 1950 when ECM was investigated as a method for shaping high strength alloy. Basically used for seeing the diagram where is used grinding tools, gears, this is the characteristic of the ECM. Cathode tool must have the four characteristics: be machinable, rigid, high young modulus, and good conductors, and have good corrosion resistance material. Three most common cathode material used as a copper, brass, and stainless steel. Basically, it is used for copper alloy and zinc alloy material and stainless steel material. Because there is no actual contact between the tool and the work, the tool does not have to be harder than the work and as a traditional machining method. Hence, this is one of the few way to machine very hard material, and is the spark discharging machine. Advantage of the ECM: components are not subjected to the either thermal or mechanical stress, no tool wear, electrochemical, because here is machining occur at the uh, diffusing of electrons, ions. No rigid and open workpiece can be machined easily as the no contact between the tool and workpiece. Complex and geometrical shape easily can be machined repeatedly and accurately. Electrochemical machining is the time saving process compared to another conventional machining process. During drilling, deep holes can be made or several holes or at once. Uh, Surface finishing at the 25 microns in inch in can be achieved in the electrochemical machining process. This is the electrochemical machining process diagram. We close up the section with a table comparing EDM with ECM using conventional machining process. This is the table which lists metal removal rate, MMR, tolerance, surface finishing, and damage depth and required power. Okay. Okay, next topic is discuss about abrasive jet machining process in the next class. Thank you.